Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can customize your rendering settings in the Bluebeam Revu PDF document reader. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to your document here in the Bluebeam application. Next you will need to navigate to your Bluebeam settings. To do that, click into Revu in the top left, select Preferences. Here navigate to Advanced on the left hand side, and then it depends guys which rendering we're talking about, 2D or 3D, so select the one you'd like to customize. I will go with 2D for the sake of this tutorial. And then you may select a rendering engine, hardware, software, or this one, and also navigate to this drop-down menu and choose a rendering mode. And then what you want to do guys is go through these settings here. For example, enable GPU accelerated full page draw, for example, CMYK colors, blend modes, fill anti-aliasing, sorry, excuse my poor pronunciation here, and so on and so forth guys. So which one of these you go with is up to you. You can do the same with the 3D rendering here, and for example choose a rendering engine like DirectX 11 or disable it, show 3D the rotation center or the hover bar, and so on and so forth guys. And once that's done, navigate to the animation frame rate, for example here, like 30 FPS, unlimited, 60 FPS, and choose a markup indicator size, and yeah, set up these settings according to your liking, and then confirm by clicking into OK to apply these rendering settings guys. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.